Chef Vlad, and today I'm going to attempt to make a French omelet, so let's get right to it. For this recipe you're going to need 4 eggs or 2 eggs depending on how many people you're feeding. I'm feeding 2 people, being very generous. A little salt, black pepper, and butter. That's it. The rest is up to the technique. So we're going to crack our eggs into here and we're going to give them a nice whisk. We just want them to be fully incorporated. Now that we got all our eggs, we're gonna whisk them up. Okay, now that we got everything incorporated, we're gonna season a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna take a good non-stick pan. We're gonna get it nice and preheated. We're gonna take a nice, generous amount of butter. Let that start melting in. And we want those nice bubbles. We want this butter to melt in, get into all those crevices. And the reason we pre-season is so all those crevices are ready to kind of soak up all this fat and we have a really good non-stick surface. So now that our pan and butter is almost fully melted, we're gonna turn up the heat just a little bit so we're able to set the eggs, and then we're gonna turn off the heat. Alrighty, I'm gonna pour our eggs in, and you wanna keep stirring for the first 30 seconds. This is gonna give you that cloudy, nice, pillowy French omelet taste. Alright, now 30 seconds passed. Turn off your heat. We're gonna start setting these eggs. Okay. And all we're doing now is we're just setting our eggs up. So we don't want anything to be really runny. And we want to go for that cheesy velvety texture. So now we're going to start folding just a little bit. And we're going to tilt our pan. Keep folding, keep folding. And with the proper French omelet, you do not want any browning. No browning. Okay? Fold, fold, fold. Alright. We got our perfect French omelet here. We're gonna let that cook just a little bit more, just to seal up this. Okay, so now we're sealing the seam right under here. That's it, we're done. The heat is off. You've made your omelet. Just let it relax a little bit. Now, a little secret that I like to do, and one secret that I learned from French chefs, take a little bit more butter and just kind of, you know, get that butter all over this. This is why a French omelet is so famous, because they don't skimp on the butter. They do not skimp on the butter. Look at that shiny, beautiful French omelet that we've prepared for you today. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. Plate, and you just want to slowly bring it out here. Boom, just like so. And get that butter on. Why not? Look at that glossy, shiny, beautiful, no browning on the omelet. Okay? And we have a beautiful, rich, silky texture inside. A little bit more salt on top, a little bit fresh cracked pepper, and we gotta add a little herb. We're just gonna sprinkle some of this on just to cut through that fat, give it some herbaceous love, and there you have it. Beautiful French omelet. Ooh! Oh yeah, look at that. Beautifully rolled, juicy, soft on the inside. Couldn't be more happy. Cheers guys to good eating.